Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. What a relief the rain's gone and days are beginning to warm up again. Today was far from perfect, with lots of clouds still lingering over southern parts of Queensland, and tomorrow looks much the same, but the sun should come out more fully by the weekend, with brisk westerly winds bringing lots of inland frost. Today was certainly not warm. Most stations reported in the mid-teens only, but that's better than yesterday, so nobody's complaining. The highest overnight rainfall was 19 millimetres at Warwick. Let's have a look at the satellite loop first up. That massive band of cloud that covered eastern Queensland for the past 2 days, producing that miserable weather, has now finally gone out to sea, drawn out there by the upper level trough, whose central axis is now in the Coral Sea and no longer over land. It won't be a worry for us anymore, but you can see the low that's left over is still curling around into the southern downs, where there could be some lingering showers, and at the very least southern Queensland will still get a little bit of cloud between those sunny breaks. Today's chart. High pressure system, there's a new one now, there's actually a couple, but they're quite weak. The main one's over central Australia, and that low is digging in over the northern New South Wales coast, and it's the air wrapping around that low that's producing the cloud over the southern downs. Tomorrow's chart, it all looks fairly similar. Low goes a little bit further out to sea. We now get a southwesterly moving into Queensland, a slightly drier air mass. On the outlook chart, it gets drier still. By this stage, as the isobars open up, we'll start to see early morning frost more common around inland parts of Queensland. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the Darling Downs and Granite Belt forecast. A partly cloudy day, some showers developing unfortunately on the Granite Belt. 19 degrees for Dalby, same for Goondiwindi, Toowoomba 16 and Warwick 18. For the southeast coast, fine though partly cloudy, Gatton 21, Ipswich and Brisbane 23. Looking ahead for Toowoomba, for the most part we're pretty safe from rain in the next 7 days, but despite generous sunshine it's going to get quite chilly in the southwest wind, especially at night. Warwick also a cold period ahead, but not terribly cloudy like we've had. It'll go terribly cold at night, sub-zero as you can see. And that goes for Dalby as well. Some pretty big swings for top to bottom in temperatures. We got 0 degrees overnight, 4 days in a row. And that's all for tonight, folks. Pleasure to have your company and thank you for watching 7 Local Weather. I'll be back tomorrow, hopefully with some more good news of sunshine. It would be my honour for you to join me. Now it's back to the team.
Thanks for that, Livio. And that's all from us for this Wednesday. Thanks very much for your company. Now, just a reminder, you can watch a replay of 7 News on the 7 Plus app or catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. And from all of us here, enjoy your evening. Good night.